today's video, I'm going to be going over 21 remote job companies that are now hiring globally. And you're not going to want to miss this video because not only am I going to talk about the companies, but I'm also going to go over positions that they often hire for, job opportunities that they're hiring for right now, and the pros and cons of working at the company. So if you appreciate me doing this type of video, go ahead, gently tap that like button, and let's jump into it with number one on the list, which is AHA. And AHA is a self-funded, fully remote SaaS company that provides a suite of products that help teams connect strategy to their work and build lovable software. And they are trusted by 700,000 plus software builders. And these include companies like AAA, Dell, Experian, and Hootsuite. Now, some of the jobs they typically hire for are going to be customer success roles, as well as a bunch of different technical roles. So for instance, product success managers make about $72,000 to $122,000 a year. Customer success managers make $80,000 to $136,000 a year, and UX designers make $71,000 to $125,000 a year. A lower level role might be product success associate, and they make about $46,000 to $74,000 a year. Now, they have a 4.7 star rating on Glassdoor.com, and by the way, I only included companies on this list that have really good ratings and a really good reputation online. I see a lot of these videos on YouTube where people are recommending companies where when you work for those companies, you're going to end up being miserable and they don't pay you very well, and they probably fire you very easily, or you just quit because it sucks. And on this channel, I want to recommend only the best companies. So that's why we spend hundreds of hours researching each video that goes live on the channel. So if that sounds awesome for you and you think of somebody else who could use this type of channel as well, go ahead and share this video with them. Next one on the list is going to be Hopin. And this is a community engagement company that's reshaping how people connect online. And they're hiring multiple positions from staff video engineers to software engineers globally at the moment. And they help to create the most engaging, best-in-class video interaction and community experience products. Now, they have 10 million users around the world, and they hire in over 24 different countries. And their team is fully remote, it's global, and they have flexible hours. Now, on top of that, they have some great benefits, like they assign you a laptop, there's health insurance support, there's parental leave. They send you $1,000 for your home office setup. They give you a $100 monthly remote work stipend. And they send you $1,500 for learning and development. And some of the current positions they're hiring for are going to be senior software engineer in Spain, senior software engineer in Ireland, senior software engineer in the United Kingdom, another one in Portugal, staff video engineer in Spain, staff video engineer in Portugal, staff video engineer in the United Kingdom, a video staff engineer in Uruguay, a staff video engineer in Canada, another one in Argentina, another one in the United States, and another one in Ireland. So like I said, they were hiring all over the place. Now, according to Glassdoor, the average salary for sales development representatives is $76,000 a year, all the way up to $225,000 a year for a staff software engineer. So sales development representative is a role that I've talked about quite a bit on this channel. It's relatively easy to get into. You don't need a college degree or previous experience. So that would be kind of a good lower level role to try to get into. So if you're someone who's interested in video technology and how it works, this could be a really great opportunity for you. And speaking of video technology, I actually coach people on how to start successful YouTube channels. I've already coached a bunch of different people. I have lots of testimonials on this. And of course, I've gotten to the point where I'm making over 6 figures a month just from YouTube alone. So if you're interested in getting on a coaching call, you can check it out. I'll put it down in the description as well as the pinned comment below. Next one on the list is going to be Flexport. They simplify the chaos of logistics with a platform that connects every player in the supply chain, making shipping, tracking, and collaboration a walk in the digital park. And they are currently hiring positions all over the US and in Amsterdam, London, etc. And here are some salaries that they tend to pay people. I'll have a bunch of different jobs pop up on the screen. So client solutions associates make about $77,000 to $117K per year. Global trade coordinators make $70,000 to $102,000 a year. Global operations associates make $61,000 to $89,000 a year. Supply chain operations associates make $56,000 to $79,000 a year. And data operations associates make about $50,000 to $72,000 a year. And yeah, there's a bunch of other jobs that you could potentially apply for. I'll have those pop up on the screen so you can check them out. Pause the video if you'd like. And the next one on the list is going to be Temporal. Temporal is a pioneering company that provides the world's leading open source durable execution system, making code more robust and fault tolerant. Their technology simplifies complex software development, ensuring that applications can withstand disruptions and maintain reliability. Some of their clients include Netflix, Coinbase, Comcast, and Snapchat. They have lots of different perks and benefits. I'll have them pop up on the screen. You can check them out if you'd like. pick. And they are currently hiring for a ton of different positions. Just to mention a few, they're hiring developer success engineers in the United States and the United Kingdom. They're hiring engineering managers, staff software design engineers, head of development relations and community, IT support specialists, senior events specialists, web and digital marketing managers, senior software design engineers, senior staff distributed systems software engineers, staff software design engineers, senior systems administrators, solutions architects, and staff product managers. And they even say at the top, if none of these positions are a fit for you, email careers@temporal.io describing your dream job. And just to give some examples of the salaries that they're paying for these different types of positions, software design engineers are making $113,000 to $157,000 a year. Software engineering managers are making $146,000 to $210,000 a year. And solution architects are making $138,000 to $223,000 a year. So yeah, lots of different opportunities there. Next on the list is going to be Glia. There's lots of jobs available in the US as well as worldwide here. And they basically specialize in digital first customer service technology. And they revolutionize how businesses engage and support their customers in online environments. And their innovative solutions enable businesses to enhance their online customer support, providing a seamless and efficient experience. And they have lots of different awards that they put up on their website. They have a good amount of perks and benefits to working there as well. And some of their current openings are going to include account executive, conversational product designer, customer success manager, data scientist, director of banking alliances, enterprise customer success manager, entry-level software engineer, launch manager, and people and culture leader. And you can see that they hire all over the world. I mean, US, Estonia, Canada, UK, Mexico, Chile, Colombia, etc. So some of the salaries here are going to be enterprise account executives making $164,000 to $271,000 a year. Account executives are making $102,000 to $172,000 a year. Customer success managers are making $99,000 to $165,000 a year. Sales associates are making $133,000 to $242,000 a year. Directors are making $193,000 to $335,000 a year. And sales engineers are making $124,000 to $207,000 a year. There's more opportunities. I'll put them up on the screen. You can just have them pop up. So yeah, their marketing to attract people to get the job is really good. They've got lots of great success stories here for people that have joined them. And speaking of marketing, digital marketing is a great entry-level career that you can get into. I've interviewed a bunch of people on this channel that have gotten into digital marketing without any of those things, and they've been able to do it really quickly. So if you want to see a free training on exactly how you can do that, I'll put that down in the description as well as the pinned comment below. Next one on the list is going to be Datadog. And this is a cloud monitoring and analytics service for IT and DevOps teams. They have great benefits, and they're currently hiring for a bunch of different positions: staff security engineer, director of enterprise sales, strategic account executive, account manager, technical account management, a field marketing manager, etc., etc. And some of the salaries they typically pay for different positions are going to be account executives making $159,000 to $274,000 a year, software engineers making $142,000 to $197,000 a year, commercial account executives making $147,000 to $249,000 a year, solution engineers making $146,000 to $230,000 a year, sales development representatives, which is an easy entry-level job to get into, making around $76,000 to $116,000 a year. So yeah, lots of opportunities there. You can definitely check those out. Next one on the list is going to be Clio. And I'm gonna start doing these a little bit faster so I can get through them faster. I'll just kind of put the stuff up on the screen so you can pause and see it if you'd like. But yeah, they're hiring in the US remote. They're also hiring in other countries like the UK, and they offer a personal finance AI assistant named Clio. Clio basically uses simplicity and humor to help individuals achieve financial well-being and improve their relationship with money. And apparently Clio was actually born out of a data scientist's struggle with money. Here's their perks and benefits. I'll put them up on the screen. Here's some careers that they're hiring for. I'll put those up on the screen too. And again, you can just pause the video if you want to read more about it. And here are some of the salaries they're paying for common positions. So yeah, another really good one. There's pros and cons for working at a startup. Usually you're going to be working more. You're also going to be kind of doing like multiple different positions, even if you get hired for one. But the huge pro is you're going to learn a lot, and you might even be able to get a little bit of equity. And by the way, leave a comment below if you've liked any of these companies or any of these jobs, or you learned anything new. I do read all the comments, and a lot of the time I will end up making videos based off of what people people say with the comment section. So definitely comment below if you have any comments, concerns, criticisms, etc. We do a ton of research on these videos. Like this script is literally 243 pages long, and we had like probably 4 different people working on this script, but we're always looking for ways to improve the video. Next one on the list is going to be Scandit. And Scandit empowers workers, customers, and businesses with high speed and accurate intelligent data capture using smart devices. Their technology enables any smart device to scan up to 3 times faster than dedicated scanners, leading to cost savings, increased employee retention, and customer loyalty. And they're actually backed and invested in by a bunch of different really well-known companies such as Salesforce and Sony Innovation Fund. They've gotten a bunch of awards and recognitions, and they are hiring for a ton of different positions. I'm going to put them up on the screen. There's a lot of them. There's like 50 different positions they're hiring for. So definitely go ahead and check that out. And some of the typical salaries that they're paying for these different types of positions, I'll put those up on the screen as well, so you can kind of know what you're getting yourself into. This company also has a 4.3 star rating on Glassdoor, which is phenomenal. And yeah, really good one to look into. Another up and coming company. Next one on the list is going to be ClickHouse. And this is a company that develops an online open source column-oriented online analytical processing, also known as OLAP, database management system. And this system enables users to generate analytical reports using SQL queries in real time. And it serves sectors like e-commerce, finance, business intelligence, communications, and the Internet of Things. And they've actually worked with companies like Uber, eBay, Cloudflare, and Spotify. Here's some of the perks that they offer. Here's some of the jobs that they typically hire for. Here's how much they're paying for these jobs typically. Again, you can just pause it if you want to learn more. And yeah, this is a bit of a smaller company, not as many people working here, but there's still a lot of opportunities, and it's definitely a good one to check out. Next one on the list is going to be JetBrains. JetBrains is a Czech software development company, formerly known as IntelliJ Software SRO, and it creates tools for software developers and project managers. And their tools are used all over the world in some of the best known companies like Google, NASA, Valve, Tesla, Ubisoft, and Twitter. And they offer a fascinating work-friendly team, a flexible working schedule, and excellent opportunities for professional and personal development. Here are some of the positions that they're currently hiring for, and here are some of the salaries that they typically pay for these positions. And they have an astonishing 4.7 out of 5 star rating on Glassdoor. That is basically unheard of. So yeah, another really good one to look into. Next one on the list is going to be Quanto. And Quanto describes themselves as not just a bank. It's your financial sidekick, simplifying business banking, automating finance management, and generally making your entrepreneurial life a breeze. Here's a list of perks they have. Here's a list of jobs that they're currently hiring for. And here are the salaries that they typically pay for these types of jobs. This company has a 4.4 star rating on Glassdoor, and 99% of people approve of the CEO. So yeah, another quality company that you could be working for. Next one on the list is going to be ChargePoint. And they are the global leader in EV charging, which is basically electrical vehicles. And they're turning the world's obsession with electric mobility into a reality by providing the fastest and most extensive charging network. Here's some jobs they typically hire for. Here's some salaries that they would be paying. And yeah, another solid one that you could look into. Next one on the list is going to be Kalepa. Kalepa is an insurance ally using Copilot, an AI-powered underwriting workbench, to help commercial insurers accurately price policies and ensure businesses get the coverage they truly need. So what sets Kalepa apart is its commitment to untangling the insurance web, making it a superhero and ensuring businesses aren't left in the dark or drowning in unnecessary premiums. So some of the perks of working at this company, I'll put them up on the screen. Here's some jobs that they typically hire for, and here are salaries that they might pay for those types of jobs. Now they have an outstanding 4.5 out of 5 star rating, and 100% of people approve of the CEO. Next one on the list is going to be TomTom. And TomTom is the genius behind your navigation woes, making digital maps that don't just guide your road trips, but aim to map the entire world in real time, promising a future where your GPS is as up to date as your Instagram feed. So that's pretty cool. Here are some perks and benefits. I'll put them up on the screen. Here's some jobs that they're currently hiring for. And here are some of the salaries that people have reported at the company. Now this company has a very healthy 4.1 star rating on Glassdoor, which is great. And that's with over 1,000 reviews. Next one on the list is going to be eBury. eBury acts as your global business company, which offers a seamless platform for everything from currency management, payments, and collections to risk management and unsecured financing. And it basically makes international trade as effortless as swiping right. Here are some of the perks and benefits of the company. Here are some of the jobs that they typically hire for or are hiring for right now. And here's some examples of the salary you might expect at some of these jobs. Now this is another one with a great rating on Glassdoor, 4.4 out of 5 stars. So yeah, another solid option. Next one on the list is going to be Tempus, and they're basically a healthcare maestro orchestrating a symphony of technology, AI, and data to personalize diagnostics and ensure patients get the right treatment at the right time. Here's some of the perks and benefits they offer. I'll put them up on the screen. Here's some of the jobs they typically hire for, and here are some of the salaries that they would pay for those jobs. All right, so I'm going through these a little bit faster so this video is not too long, but next one on the list is going to be Tessian. And Tessian is a complete cloud email security solution which prioritizes protecting digital interactions, especially in email, to prevent advanced threats, enabling a secure work environment while valuing the pivotal role of people in organizational decisions. So they basically have an emphasis on the human element of cybersecurity. Here are some perks to working at the company. Here's some jobs they're hiring for right now. And here's what people have reported on Glassdoor that they're making at the company for these different types of jobs. Next one on the list is going to be Clipboard Health. And Clipboard Health plays a matchmaker for healthcare professionals and facilities through an app-based marketplace. And they're basically like the Cupid that connects on-demand shifts with on-demand talent, making healthcare more flexible and accessible. So here are some perks to working at the company. Here's some jobs that they're typically hiring for, and here's some examples of the salaries that they typically pay. Now, this company has a 4.2 out of 5-star rating, which is great, especially for healthcare related companies. So definitely another good one to look into. Not all their jobs are remote, but a lot of them are. Next one on the list is going to be Jazz Pharma. And this is basically your backstage pass to a global biopharmaceutical company that innovates to transform the lives of patients worldwide. They're in the business of turning medical breakthroughs into medicines that defy limitations. Here's some of the benefits and perks that they offer. Here's some of the jobs that they typically hire for. And here's some of the salaries you might expect to be paid at a lot of these different jobs at this company. Next one on the list is going to be a company called Podia. And Podia is an all-in-one platform for online businesses, offering a website builder, email marketing, and a digital storefront to sell everything from courses to coaching without the tech-induced stress. Here is a list of their benefits that they offer. Here are some of the jobs that they typically hire for. And Podia has an absolutely phenomenal 4.9 out of 5-star rating, but they don't have as many employees as some of these other companies. So yeah, another pretty good opportunity there. They are hiring people rapidly. Next one on the list is going to be JLS Trading Company. And this is an 8-figure company experiencing exponential growth where adding new products is like a monthly occurrence. And this company is actually kind of hilarious if you look at their recruitment page. Come join the adult-sized children of the fast-growing 8-figure e-commerce enigma known as JLS Trading Co. And they say here, for instance, they have a strongly anti-BS stance. And they say anybody in the company can and is expected to tell the CEO when he is wrong. There are no bureaucratic or BS rules getting in the way of getting work done. In fact, it's mandatory to tell the CEO to go F himself within a few weeks of getting hired. Seriously. They also have a no loud policy. And then if you look at their values, they treat people really effing well. They get a lot of done. There's no They tell you to not be a P word. They tell you to constantly improve and have a ton of fun. So yeah, I thought I'd include this one on the list. This company is freaking awesome. Basically the antidote to the traditional corporate BS. Here are some current job openings they have, and here are some of the salaries you could expect at the company. And they have a 4.3 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor, so pretty good.